good, y'all? It's your boy D-Mark back at it again with another vlog. Dream Driven Media, and we at it again. Today, finna get ready to take the Z, like I told y'all in the last video, to the body shop, get this body work done on it. Yeah, hopefully we get everything fixed. I'm just gonna drop it off, let him take his time, and whenever he gets done, yeah, he gets done. So, but things that will be getting fixed. First and foremost will be this big dent. Scrape on the bumper. We're just gonna go around, circle everything like I showed you that dent there. I believe there's a couple down the side on the door. There's one there. But yeah, just go around and fix all the little small stuff. Hopefully can get these fenders kind of lined up a little better. Let's see here, but somewhere I boofed it. There. And then there's a dent there. And all down the side of the door right there. So I don't know if it shows up on camera, but that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm supposed to be there already, but I'm not. I was trying to finish editing up a video, so I got it done. But I'm gonna start this thing up, grab some things out of the cruise, and yeah, I'm gonna head that way. All right, y'all. Finally, I made it up here to the body shop. Like I said before, so we can get this Z all fixed up. Obviously it's not gonna be a one-day thing, but we're gonna mark everything that needs to be fixed today, and possibly take some of the stuff apart to get the process going, but we'll see. I don't know for sure. Had to make a pit stop before we got here, go and get some Chick-fil-A because your boy is hungry. But yeah, also one of the guys up here has some BBS wheels that he's wanting to let go for a decent price. So I'll probably grab those too. It's really a good price. You can't really pass up a good deal. Plus I want some spare wheels for the Z anyway, just for when it's down getting painted and things like that. So, but I'll show those to you guys, and we'll pick up whenever we get going on the Z, and I'll let you know what's going on. So yeah. Alright, y'all, finally got everything marked up, what we're gonna do to fix it. All the spots we're gonna be looking at. The fender getting fixed for sure. There's a dent there, and there's dents all along this door. I don't know if the camera will pick them up, but yeah, there's dents all along there. A dent down at the bottom there. I don't know why we didn't mark this one, so we might forget it since we didn't mark it. Definitely ain't gonna miss that. Yeah. Got all the stuff out of the back, so we have to do some work in the hatch area too. But there's that one dent I pointed out to y'all. There's one on the little edge of the fender, one on the wheel well. It's a bunch of little small dents in the door. There too. Yeah. We marked all of them. We're gonna get it all taken care of. And next step, paint. But for now, I'm gonna take these bad boys off of here and swap on the wheels that I was telling y'all about before I forget. Drop my keys on. Yeah. When I first got the car, it had a water leak. So as y'all can see, I guess somebody tried to put like baking soda in here, but it's rusting in here from where the water was hitting. So whenever I got it and found out it had a water leak, I pulled this little plug so it can kind of drain if it does get water in it. But yeah, we're gonna get this fixed too. Clean all this up, take a wire wheel in there and clean it all up, and then cover it all and seal it. So yeah, but once that happened, it didn't help the water leak. So but that's what we gotta do in there. This ain't gonna be clean when we get done though.
Oh. Them is baby wheels.
Even on the front.
Them is baby wheels.
Yeah.
It's okay. They're spares.
Oh my God.
What, you don't want to do it?
I don't.
I get that. I don't want you to either. I don't want to look at it. It hurts my eyes.
It hurts my eyes.
Right there.
They're just spares. So this is how the Z sets as of now, with the spares on it. I mean, they don't look bad, but they ain't got no chunky. They're not chunky enough. Now look at that. Bad fitment. They only 8.5 wide though. So, but I literally just got them for spares to run in events, or not in events, but in the case of things like this, like it's gonna be at the shop or something, and I don't want to get messed up, or when it goes to get painted and have some wheels that I don't really care about. But yeah, so yeah, so I'm get ready to head out of here, go home for the day, and then hopefully tomorrow we'll come by and see the progress. But I got the Cosmos in the back of the truck. I need to get some new tires for the rear. They're not terrible yet, but they're lower than I want them to be. Plus I want to match them to the fronts. But yeah, for now, it's your boy D-Mark, Dream Driven Media, and we out.